everybody. We're going to talk about the third part of Chapter 9, which is Type 1 and Type 2 errors. So let's write this down, Type 1 and Type 2 errors. And the best way to learn these is in a little grid, and think about them like this. Okay, so just hang on a moment. So think about it like in a court case. So the truth is the defendant is innocent, guilty, and then there's the decision of the court. Okay, over here, convict or acquit. Okay, when you convict an innocent person, that's bad. That's a Type 1 error. And that has a probability, and that's alpha. That's the same alpha that we've been working with the whole time. So when we talk about that alpha, that's the same one. When we convict a guilty person, that's good. When we acquit an innocent person, that's good too. When we acquit a guilty person, that's bad. That's a Type 2 error, and its probability is beta. Okay, for those of you taking finance, this is a different beta than what you guys talk about over there. This is its own beta. All right, so this is a way to think about it. Now, in terms of hypothesis testing, so kind of get this down in your head. Let's do this in terms of hypothesis testing. So we're going to draw another grid. So we have the truth, HO, is true. HO is false. And then we have the decision over here. We reject HO, or we fail to reject HO. Okay, when we reject HO when HO is true, that's bad. That's your Type 1 error. There's your alpha again. Okay? When we reject HO when HO is false, that's good. When we fail to reject HO when HO is true, that's good. When we fail to reject HO when HO is false, that's bad. That's your Type 2 error. There's your beta. So let's think of some examples of this. So if you're saying, okay, you're testing to say if somebody has a disease or not, and they actually have the disease, and you tell them, no, you don't have the disease, that's bad. Okay? So that would be a Type 1 error. All right? So you're saying, let's say that that a person has disease versus H1 person does not. Then if you reject HO when in fact the person does have the disease, That's your type 1. Okay, when you fail to reject HO, that is, you tell the person they have the disease when in fact they do not, that is a type 2 error. Okay? Does that make sense? Good. All right. Hope this helps.